Hey, this is Mrs. Radigan with a tutorial on posting a photo to a discussion board. First, you want to load your photo onto Canvas. So go to your Account button on the left navigation bar. Go to Files. Click on Upload. And you should have saved a photo to your computer somewhere or some drive that you can access from your computer. Click on your photo, select Open, and it will take a second to load, and then it will appear down in your list of files. Now you can access that file to post it on your discussion board. So go back to the Honors Algebra 2 homepage, or you can go to the Honors Algebra 2 modules. If you're on the home page, make sure you pick the correct hour. So pick the link to Personal Photo Hour 3 if you're Hour 3, or Personal Photo Hour 5 if you're Hour 5, for example. If you're in the modules screen, it should only give you the one that is appropriate for your hour. So go ahead and click on one of those links that will take you to the discussion for your particular hour. There are the same instructions that I'm going through on this video tutorial, also written on the discussion board. So once you get there, you're going to click on the reply area, and this is where you're going to post your picture and your text. So if you go to Embed Image, you want to embed an image from Canvas, from My Files, and your picture that you loaded there should be there. You need to scroll down and click Update, and then your picture appears in the discussion, and you can adjust the size of it like this. And then if you could just post something that includes your name and either what you're doing or where you are at. You are done. Hit Post Reply, and it will be in the string of posts, and then you can reply to a few other people. Please reply to 4 other people.